So here we are, morning of the leaving, I guess you would say. A little bit of wind damage from last night. Let's check it out. Here's one of the easy ups. Done. How would you say, Garrett? Done? Pretty much.
Done.
Ripped.
I can fix this.
Ripped. Shredded.
I can fix anything.
I don't know.
Yeah, I can fix that, no problem.
Pretty much done. I think there's another one over here that's just about finished. Garrett's and Steph's is just hanging in there. It's just hanging in there. Ian's is about done. Wind came through, fucking screwed this one up too right here. That one's done. And we still have a little bit of wood left, perfect amount of wood. And Arsalan's 10 is just completely gone. That one is just done. So now we gotta clean up this fucking mess. Should be fun. Anywho, late.